Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Facebook using the latest 2026 update. If you want to stop unwanted messages, avoid spam, or prevent someone from viewing your profile and interacting with you, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and easily on your Android or iPhone device. Open the Facebook applications. Then navigate to the profile of the person you want to block. You can find them through your friends list, search bar, comment section, or directly from your news feed. Once you open their profile page, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the three-dot menu icon. On some devices, this option may appear next to the message button. After tapping it, a menu will appear with several account options. From the list, select the block option. Facebook will then display a confirmation pop-up explaining what happens when you block someone. After blocking, that person will no longer be able to see your posts, tag you, send you messages, add you as a friend, or interact with your profile in most ways. To complete the process, tap block again to confirm your decision. Within a few seconds, the person will be successfully blocked from your Facebook account. And that's it. You have now learned how to block someone on Facebook using the newest 2026 Facebook app update quickly, safely, and professionally.